have a wheel stud pilot pin set. If you've ever worked on a European car, like Audi, Volkswagen, BMWs, Mercedes, they have what we call, Volvo, they have what we call a wheel stud instead of a lug nut. So when you take a wheel off or try to put it back on, you have to hold it and find the wheel lug. These things are awesome. So they have all different sizes. They've got 14 by 1.5 thread. There's 2 of each. And then there's 14 by 125, 12 by 1.5, and 12 by 125. So you thread those right into the hub, put 2 of them in opposite of each other, and you put your wheel on and you can walk away. Great little tool, probably quarter of the price. Check it out at oneaauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneaauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.